We got all 3 pit bikes out today. It's snowy a little bit here in Wisconsin, but you know, it's still pit bike season all year round, so might as well still send. We got Sparky, the SSR, and he's doing something over in the ditch over there. Scully's got the towel, and then Clansman's on the Thumpstar. So, granted, his wheelies are not quite as good as the other guys. This guy here is a madman. Oh, whoa! Call the authorities. What are these ass clowns doing? Is my question. Oh, damn! What happened? Really? Oh boy, destruction. Oh fuck.
Oh, bud.
Did she get all fuckered?
Oh, a stick went in there.
Oh really? Oh, it's got the bolts are stuck behind it. Oh boy.
Yeah, let me try to read. Put your finger in between.
Ah.
Right,
Oh wait.
I got it right there.
It's like wedged in.
In the guard.
Bend the guard out a little bit.
I can't. Just put the chain on. It'll roll it so. Just put the chain on the top there. Alright. Give it a read.
Oh.
There you go, you got it. Keep going back. There you go.
You gotta tighten it, dude.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
I told you,
New chain stretched a little bit.
Yeah.
So your case was never that thick.
Yeah, maybe it got a little extra thick, but still good.
No,
I rolled it once. The chain blew off me once and it fucked us up a little bit. Alright, time to tighten chains.
Time to take and put the tire on now.
Yeah. Well.
Nah, I just say run and sit the chain. Let's tighten the chain.
No, dude, I got stuck over there.
Fuck
dude,
yeah.
Yeah.
A little muddy, eh? Yeah, you look a little muddy. Wait, I have to ask guys, where's your helmets? Excellent helmet. Where's yours?
Right here.
Oh boy. Careful. Hey, drive me back on there. Today we are going to be changing the tire on the SSR. She finally is, well, wherever Sparky thinks it's too worn, I guess. No, I guess it's too worn. So I'm going to change it to this here meat right here. Was it straight off Amazon? eBay tire.
30 bucks.
30 bucks.
Tire and tube.
So we're just going to loosen up the main axle bolt here. Take the brake caliper off, right? And we got to tighten the chain up because he just fucking blew it off. So. Oh no. We got intruders coming.
A real life sloth. I need half-inch tire.
Anyway, we will update you when the tire is almost off. Here's the fun part, everybody. Of using hand tools to try to pry it off the bead. We got one side off.
Now we gotta try to pull a tube out.
And try to get the tube out of there.
We have new tubes though.
Yeah.
Hopefully.
But we just got the old SSR just chilling. Took them like 2 minutes to get the tire off. It's pretty simple.
yellow one.
Yeah. Almost got her out. Valve stem hanging up in there?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Should come right there. She goes.
Got her. There we go.
Pretty thick tube.
What do you think about this, Steve?
Fantastic.
Really?
Alright, now grab a.
Yes, sir.
Go grab a hammer, Steve, or a mallet. Grab a mallet. Yep, and then I can just walk her off with the old mallet. Hurry, Steve, hurry.
Watch this procedure, guys. I'm telling you, this works good. Little hammer action, little pry. That tire was pretty bald, though.
That's how you do it. Hold on, I got it.
So then you just walk her off the old deep. Got her.
She's out.
Nice. Now hopefully the right size tire is over there.
Oh, yeah.
Because Fuku Face over there ordered it, so have to see.
3x10? 3x10.
Alright, man.
Should be.
Should be mint.
Look at how aggressively new that tire is.
Look at the difference.
Dude, you're going to be able to just sling mud back there.
Oh yeah, you can see.
There.
I mean, that one wasn't too worn.
This will be a good summer tire.
No, it's studded for winter.
Yeah, studded, make a studded tire out of it, I guess, yeah.
It's same size.
I'll cover the new inner tube, too.
Yes, sir. In case you pinch this one, we can use the old one.
Right.
Should really warm this thing up. Oh, this thing's stiff.
Stiff as hell, huh?
Yeah. Oh, you're trying to get that tube in there?
Alright, shut the door. We gotta turn the heater on.
Yeah.